Administration of Mauryan age: central, provincial, regional. Let's study them one by one. First one is central administration system. Emperor was at the center of the administration, that is governance. He was head of administrative, military, and judicial departments of the empire. His position was hereditary. Patliputra and areas around it were under direct control of the emperor. He managed administration with the help of ministers and higher officials. Chanakya has told about 18 departments, out of which main departments and their heads are as follows. Department and their head. First department was Agriculture Department. The head was Sitadiksh. Second department was Military Department and its head was Senani. Third was Judicial Department and its head was Pradeshatri. Fourth was Trade Department and its head was Panyadiksh. Fifth was Office Repository Akshpatal Record Department and its head was Maha Akshpatal. Revenue Department and its head was Mudradiksh. Now second one is provincial administrative system. The huge Mauryan empire was divided into 5 sections. Head of the province was the governor. Usually the prince was appointed at this post. Governor's task in the province was to maintain peace and security, collect revenue, to get the orders of the king obeyed, and keeping the emperor constantly aware of the events taking place in the province. Third one is regional administration. For the sake of administrative ease, any province was divided into district or local and storage or taluka. District officer Rajuk worked at the district level, while officer of province was called provincial, that is Gop. The smallest unit of administration was the village. Its head was called Gramini. Gramani used to run the administration of the village with the help of the elected members of village. Students, the kingdom was divided into 3 sections for easy administration during Mauryan age. The first was central, second provincial, and third regional. In the central administration, the emperor was at the center of the governance. He was head of the administration, the military, and the judicial departments of the empire. Chanakya has shown the administration of Mauryan age in total 18 departments. The provincial administration was divided into 5 sections. The head of the province was called governor. In regional administration, the province was divided into district, that is local, and a district was divided into taluka, that is called storage. The smallest unit of administration was a village. The administration of a village used to be done by Gramani with the help of a committee of elected members of the village. The chief of the agriculture department was known as Sitadhyaksha and the head of the military department was known as Senani during the administration of Mauryan age. Successors of Emperor Ashoka and fall of Mauryan Empire. Regarding Emperor Ashoka's successor, we find different information in Brahmin, Jain, and Buddhist texts. According to the information given in Puranas, total 9 to 10 kings of Mauryan dynasty ruled for 137 years. Taking advantage of the impoverished rule of last king of Mauryan dynasty, that is Brihadrata, his general Pushyamitra killed him on the pretext of watching military drill. Thus, in 185 BC, Pushyamitra Shang established Shang dynasty on the throne of Magad and Mauryan dynasty came to an end. Students, at one time the Mauryan Empire was spread all over India. According to the scriptures of Jainism and Buddhism, the kings of the Mauryan dynasty ruled for 137 years. The rulers after Ashoka were not powerful. The last king of the Mauryan dynasty, Briharata, had no hold on the people and the army. By taking advantage of his impoverished rule, his own general Pushyamitra Shanga summoned him to see a military drill and killed him. Thus, the last ruler of the Mauryan dynasty came to an end, and in 185 BC, the Shang dynasty was established in India. Students, here we end our chapter 6 Mauryan Age, Chandragupta and Emperor Ashoka. Students, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel Asma Babwani. Click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Like the videos, share the videos and do comment on all the videos.